What's up, YouTubers? You ever feel like you're spinning your wheels, cranking out video ideas that just don't land? Or maybe you're watching other channels blow up while yours is barely getting a nibble from the algorithm? If that's you, listen up. Today, we're tearing into one of 10, this tool that's making big promises about boosting your views and helping you create viral content. I'm going to walk you through what it does, how it works, and whether it's the secret sauce you've been missing. Stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to know if one of 10 is the real deal for leveling up your channel. Before we dive in, there's a killer deal in the description. Don't leave money on the table. Check it out. So what the heck is one of 10? All right, let's cut the fluff. One of 10 is a web-based tool that's all about helping creators like us find those rare outlier videos, the ones that don't just do okay, but absolutely crush it in views and engagement. You know the type. One of 10 lets you analyze these hits so you can copy their success, saving you a ton of time and, more importantly, giving you a better shot at blowing up. Why you need one of 10 in your toolbox? Let's get into it. Here's why one of 10 is a must-have. Advanced filters. If you're serious about finding content that matches your vibe, these filters let you drill down by subscriber count, views, video length, and upload date. You get straight to the good stuff, no waste of time. Competitor tracker. Want to know why your competition is winning? This feature lets you spy on their outliers so you can adapt and beat them at their own game. Thumbnail vision board. You know that first impressions count. This tool lets you save and organize thumbnails that pop, so your videos always stand out in the feed. Similar topic finder. Found a video that's killing it? This feature helps you uncover related ideas so you can jump on a trend and ride it to the top. Surprise me. Want to break out of your comfort zone? This option throws outliers from random channels your way, sparking fresh ideas that can make you the next big thing. Niche search. If you're laser focused on a specific theme, this search digs deep into your niche, finding videos that align perfectly with your goals. Channel tracker. Don't just watch your competition. Study them. Track the channels that matter to you, whether they're competitors or rising stars, and learn from their latest moves. Private community. Join a network of hustlers like yourself, get feedback, share insights, and level up together. This isn't just a tool, it's a tribe. What do users really think? So, what's the word on the street? Most users are raving about how one of 10 makes it a breeze to find killer video ideas and optimize content. Many creators have seen their views and engagement soar just by tapping into the tool's insights. It's like having an insider cheat code. But let's keep it real. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially with the advanced features. And yeah, a few people have hit some glitches, but nothing that should scare you off. The pros and cons, no BS. Pros. Efficiency. You save a ton of time on content research, more time for creating. Data-driven insights, get proven ideas backed by cold, hard data. That's how you win. Customization. Tailor your searches to get exactly what you need. No fluff. Community support. Tap into a private network of creators for feedback and collaboration. Iron sharpens iron. Cons. Pricing. If you're just starting out, the subscription might feel like a stretch. But what's your growth worth? Learning curve. There's a bit of a ramp up, but nothing you can't handle. Occasional glitches. Some minor hiccups reported, but that's par for the course with any tech. The cost of playing pricing as of August 2024. Monthly plan. $49 a month, you get full access to everything over 1 million outliers, the private Discord community, the works. A yearly plan. $349 a year. That's a 40% savings. Same perks as the monthly plan, but you keep more cash in your pocket. You save $239. Do the math. Alternatives to one of 10. While one of 10 is killer for outlier videos, you might want to explore a few other tools too. And yep, I've dropped links to them in the description. VidIQ. This one's a beast when it comes to YouTube growth. You get keyword research, video analytics, and AI-powered content ideas. It's perfect if you're into geeking out on performance metrics and optimizing your content strategy down to the last detail. TubeBuddy. If you're managing a big channel, TubeBuddy is your best friend. It's all about bulk processing, updating titles, tags, descriptions across multiple videos in a snap. Plus, it's got SEO tools to help your videos rank higher in search. If you're serious about streamlining your workflow and growing your channel, this is a no-brainer. Exploding topics. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Exploding topics finds emerging trends before they hit the mainstream. Integrated with one of 10 to discover hot topics your competition hasn't even thought about yet. It's how you keep your content fresh and your audience hooked. TubeMagic. If you want an all-in-one solution, TubeMagic has you covered. It goes beyond just finding topics. It helps you write scripts, optimize your videos, and ensure every upload is primed to perform. Whether you're managing one channel or several, TubeMagic's AI tools streamline the process from idea generation to SEO optimization. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, TubeMagic is the full package. The bottom line, is one of 10 worth it? One of 10 could be a total game changer for your YouTube hustle. If you're serious about growing your channel and want to consistently put out high performing content, this tool needs to be in your arsenal. And yeah, the price might make you think twice, but here's the deal. One viral video can cover your subscription multiple times over. Don't play small. If you're ready to take your channel to the next level, hit the link in the description and get started with one of 10 today. Thanks for hanging with me. If you got value from this, smash that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more tips and tools to crush it on YouTube. Catch you in the next video.